So today we're going to be talking my friend's 2019 Mustang 5.0. This thing is supercharged Paxton with a 10R80 transmission. We're looking to reduce weight in this car. So we're going to tackle the front and rear brake rotors to the Baer SS4 2.0. It's a good chunk of rotational mass, so let's get started. I'm going to leave instructions. No need for me to say to take off all your forward wheels and put your cars on jack. So let's get to it. Dale, que now you're on camera, so you can't film me now.
What?
Yo, vamos, natural. Yo,
Cojones. From here you don't have a lot of leverage, but since this is out, now you can pull from further back in the line, which gives you leverage. So then you can just push the clips that hold this bracket to it, and then slide it from under the hole, the skinny part of the cable, and you just loop this out of the e-brake lever. Perfect. That's it.
Good stuff. Well, lesson learned. You gotta remove the dust chute. If not, it will definitely route with the rotor.
We tried moving, not gonna work.
3 times.
Yeah.
So, little pro tip, save you a lot. About an hour.
Diferente.